Hi Louise, this is just a quick tutorial on how to get started with the Gallery Manager. I've set up a test page here. It's just to give you an idea of what you can achieve. So I'll put in some thumbnails here and they can pop up, and you can add some text here if you want. I'll just run through that with you now. Okay, so the first thing is you log in. I'll give you the addresses by email. Okay, so once you log in, to amend a gallery or to create a gallery, we go to the gallery button here, and you can see here that you can add a gallery or manage a gallery. So in this case we're going to add a gallery quickly. So the first thing we do is go to the second tab, add a new gallery. So we'll call this new test and add the gallery. Once that's done, we'll want to add some images to it. So we use this upload images dialog. So we press browse and we find some images to add. For this test, we're just going to choose these 4 images. Now you have to assign what gallery you want them to go to. So in this case it's LuTest2, and then we press the upload images button. You'll see here that they're being uploaded right now. Once they're uploaded, you'll get a little message here saying that they're uploaded. It also automatically creates the thumbnails for you, which is a handy feature. Now to check out that gallery, we go to manage galleries here, and we can see the one we've just created. So you just click on it to access it, and here are the images. Now you can put in alt and title text in the top line, and the bottom line is the description. So we'll do that for these 4 here. Okay, so I've put in some alt tags here and some descriptions. Once that's done, we press save changes. Now you can see that the size of these images are quite big, so we might want to resize some of them, and I'll talk about that in a minute. But we'll have a quick look at these first, see what they look like, and show you how to put them into a page. So if we go to pages and we create a new page, so Blues test page, and you'll notice there's this new little icon here. So this lets us choose a gallery. So when we click on this, our gallery hasn't shown up for some reason. However, there is a gallery, so we press insert, and we'll put in ID 2 because I know it's called 2. They should be listed there, but they're not, so I'll deal with that in a second. This is only a test site. I haven't configured it fully. Okay, so we'll publish the page, and hopefully the test gallery we just shoved in will appear. Okay, so let's view the page, and yes, there it is. Now obviously you don't need to have the comment box in, or you can have your own text. But essentially when you click on this image, it's massive, so we'd need to resize that. You can see what you have. Okay, so let's resize the images. So we'll go back to our gallery, and we'll manage the gallery, and it was Lutest. So we can select these three because they're quite big. This one's about the right size. So we're going to use the bulk actions and resize images. And we press apply, and then it asks you how big you want them. 800 by 600 is about right for most screen resolutions. So we'll press OK. And it will work away in the background resizing the images for you. You can see here they've been changed. So if we go back to our page and refresh, well, it's held in cache, hang on. Okay, so if we refresh the page, we should be able to see smaller versions of the images. Yeah, okay, now it's working. So we can see here, this is the image, and this is the description that we put in. Now people can scroll through, and again we can see they can go previous or they can go next. We have our descriptions here, and we have our lovely images show up. Again, we might want to resize this image because it's quite big, and obviously you're not going to get the double slideshow there on your one. Okay, so that's the basics of it. If we go back to the back end here, you can actually set this up so if you make decisions on how big you want images, the maximum dimensions, when you upload them they automatically get resized. So that can be done here in the options panel, and the options panel lets you predefine how you want your images to show up. So you can put in a maximum thumbnail size here. So if you wanted the thumbnails a bit bigger, you can put in whatever size you want there. Same for the images, the image quality, how you want the galleries to display. You can change effects for slideshows if you want slideshows. If you want to use text as a watermark, so this could all say Reinhardt Agencies for instance, you can tag every image with them. Change the color, so we could turn that to white for instance. Where it appears, you save change. We'll see here, Lutest is the name of the store, but you can have whatever you want in there. It could be your website URL. So it's kind of a cool little feature. You can personalize things. And then that's your slideshow if you want to use the slideshow options. Slideshow would be when people click on this. I don't know if I have it configured. Yeah, here it is. So this will just scroll through your different images, so you can decide how quickly or how slowly you want them to paginate between them. That's probably enough for you to get on with at the moment. If you have any questions, give us a shout. Okay.